welcome to Guess That Sound. Here is the sound we are going to use. You get 3 things. Guess it. Pause the video if you need to. Here is Guess That Sounds Part 1. Yes, there will be different parts. Let me just get the first one. Okay, this is what it sounds like. You hear this? Okay, I'll do it again. Okay, so is that a Nerf? Okay, so is it a Nerf gun shooting? Is it a case opening? Or is it a Nintendo Switch controller pressing a button? So is it this, or this? I'll give you 10 seconds to guess. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so I'm going to eliminate. It is not the Nerf gun, okay? Because the Nerf gun makes this sound. Oh, look, I'm upside down. That's what the Nerf gun makes. Yeah, so it is not correct. So that means it, I want to straight out, either the controller or a case. It is the case. If you guessed the case, you're correct. That was part 1 of Guess What That Was. Get out of here, Nintendo Switch controller. No one likes you. But we like the case. I hope you enjoyed.